Okay, there's breaking news just coming in. Siddharth Pitani, who is Sushant's friend, is currently being grilled by the Enforcement Directorate. Questioning is now underway at ED's Mumbai office. It's been over an hour since the questioning is going on. That's the latest coming in right there. Siddharth Pitani being questioned by the Enforcement Directorate. He's in fact being grilled at the moment as we speak. Rhea Chakraborty also is being questioned. The family of Rhea Chakraborty also being questioned. Devyesh is now joining us. Devyesh, we've accessed the ITR documents. We've accessed a lot of documents when it comes to Rhea Chakraborty, and there are some glaring discrepancies in terms of the money that she bought the shareholders' funds with, and her IT returns not adding up, and that's something that's going to be probed by the ED apart from the money laundering allegation of 15 crore rupees. As far as Siddharth Pitani is concerned, where does the discrepancy lie?
See, Rhea has already submitted documents. That is what we learned from ED sources, that she's already submitted her ITR returns, her bank account details and other holdings, any such, along with a list of movable assets that she has and in her name, that has also been submitted to Enforcement Directorate, and they will be analyzing the details with her sources of income. So if that is to be substantiated, she'll have to show that this was her source of income, and through that she's earned that money. If she's earned, isn't able to show this sources of income matching with what she's filed in the ITR return, that is a huge discrepancy which could be probed further and would further emphasize on the money laundering angle. Also, Siddharth Pitani, the creative content manager and friend of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput, has just arrived at the Enforcement Directorate office. Remember, he was summoned to join investigations on Friday, but he couldn't join then. Today he has appeared before the Enforcement Directorate and could be questioned regarding the kind of investments that Sushant Singh Rajput was planning to do or had already done. He would also be questioned regarding the creative content that he was generating and what kind of platforms was he offering those contents for.
All right, Devyesh, hold on right there. Manish Pandey, who tracks the Enforcement Directorate very closely, is also joining us live from Delhi. Manish, what are you picking up from sources as far as Siddharth Pitani is concerned? Is there foul play and discrepancy that the ED is sensing at this point? I mean, I know the questioning is going on, but what are you picking up from your sources?
Yeah, well, as far as Rhea's questioning is concerned, this is focused on the allegation that more than 15 crore was siphoned off. But the specific questions are related to the investment she has made in last 2 years, or whether she has any information about Sushant's investment in last 2 years, and was she nominee of any of those investments. Also, she is being grilled over the firms where she was director along with Sushant Singh Rajput and her brother Shouvik Chakraborty. Now, ED believes that these companies might have been used to launder and route money. But also what is going to be very crucial is about the income tax returns of Rhea Chakraborty, because according to income tax returns, her gross income in year 2017-18 and 2018-2019 is 18 lakh and 18 lakh each. But the total amount which she has invested in FDs and along with the shareholding is more than 40 lakh rupees. And what ED believes that with such amount of income, you cannot invest that amount of money. But also there are other sources of income which she has reflected in the income tax return. The ED wants to know what are the sources of those income.
Absolutely. So obviously the questioning is going on right now. Siddharth Pitani is also being questioned, Rhea Chakraborty being questioned, her father being questioned, and you know, the ED has now begun a deep probe into the financial transactions made by all these parties concerned. I request our reporters to stay with us. We're getting some more breaking news coming in. The Enforcement Directorate is now looking into alleged siphoning of 15 crore rupees from late actor Sushant Singh's bank accounts and could summon filmmaker Sandeep Singh. And that's the big breaking news that is coming in this afternoon. According to sources, a transaction has been found between Sushant Singh Rajput and Sandeep Singh's bank account, and that is the reason the filmmaker could be summoned for recording his statement with the agency. Singh could be summoned in the coming days to explain this transaction between Sushant Singh Rajput and his bank account as well. Sandeep Singh has been claiming to be a close friend of Sushant Singh Rajput, but Sushant's family members have denied knowing him? That's the big story coming in right now. Divyesh is now joining us from ED office in Mumbai. Divyesh, big development coming in. Sandeep Singh also under the ED scanner. What is this transaction that has been made between Sandeep Singh's bank account and Sushant Singh's bank account? Do we have details at the moment?
See, this transaction that has been learnt by the Enforcement Directorate was from Sushant Singh's bank account to Sandeep's account, Sandeep Singh's account, and that is why ED is looking into it, whether any kind of this was a payment for some film project or this was for any other joint project that they were working on, because Sandeep Singh hasn't discussed anywhere about any particular project which they were jointly working on. He just claimed that he was Sushant's close friend, whether this was a fund that he borrowed for some other project for business purposes, that is yet to be known, and that is why he could be summoned by Enforcement Directorate.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.